What's up, everybody? Welcome to us with Simple J, or better still, Crypto Toilet Forum. All right. In today's video, I just quickly want to share with you guys a gym which I just discovered. Definitely, I'll be doing a couple of videos on how to take advantage of the project done by these people. In fact, the project done by these people is set to displace Google. In fact, even Elon Musk talked about the project. Okay, Elon Musk talked about the project, and it's a very very nice project. And with time, okay, this project, I'm sure it will definitely displace Google because with the way the thing is going now, in fact, it's people can use it for so many things. In fact, initially me as well. You know much, I actually do Fiverr before anyways, but I stopped doing Fiverr at the point and I shifted to cryptocurrency. But because of this project now, I think I will have to shift back to Fiverr by because this project offers one of the features of this project, gives me the opportunity to be able to deliver my services easily and make more money within less than 5 minutes. Okay. And this project is a very, very powerful project that is currently making wave. And the project, after it was launched, after this particular project was launched, a token was launched for it, which the token really, really did wonderfully well. Having just 100 million total supply, this token is still very, very undervalued. This shitcoin is very, very undervalued right now, which means even if you invest your 5,000, if you invest $100 right now currently, you can still have at least minimum of 5,000 units worth of the token. And even if you invest just $50 on this token, you can currently have 2,500 units of this coin. Okay, and when this coin hits $1, that is 2.5 for you. And if you put $100, that is about 5,000 plus for you. And you know me, in 2021, how I wanted to make my money, my rules remains the same. One, I don't buy coin above 10 cents. I don't buy coin above 10 cents. That is one of my rules. All right. I don't buy coin above 10 cents. When I mean above 10 cents, when a coin is more than above 0.1, maybe 0.2, I don't buy it. So I only like buying coin below 0.1, whose total supply is less than 1 billion. But whenever I come across maybe whenever I come across maybe whenever I come across what are they calling it? Whenever I come across tokens, okay, whose total supply is maybe like 100 million, 200 million. That is a nice gym. I love quickly buying them. I love quickly investing. The reason why I love investing in them is because, it can easily you can easily make money. Imagine. So, and I just discovered this gym that is currently 100 million total supply and the price is still relatively low, very, very low and very, very cheap. You know me. Okay, so to get your hand on this token, I already explained what this token is all about. You can read more about them on our forum. Okay, if you come to our forum right here, you can read more on this. What are they calling it? You can read more of this project on our forum, right? And this is it right here on our forum. This is it right here on our forum. All right. So when you go to our forum, all you just have to do is just log in. Okay, or you will see the token. This is it right here. Ensure you invest in this gym on time before price goes up, and please ensure you only invest what you can afford to lose. Actually, even though this project is promising, but I can't still guarantee you that nothing will happen. Okay, because I'm not the developers, but I'm definitely sure if you've been following, you will know that people have been talking much about this token. And in fact, I'll be doing a couple of videos on how to use the project of these people to also make money on Fiverr, because this project offers a lot of services. And I will also be talking on how to start your blog using these people's project, because the project offers varieties of services. So keep an eye on this Crypto Toilet Forum. Why? The reason is this. Starting from January 2023, we are currently upgrading our forum, and there will be a learning section with an interface that allows you to learn full time. That one will be dedicated for learning, where I will be teaching full details on how to make money using Fiverr. And one of the ways we'll be making money with Fiverr is we'll be exploiting one of the tools developed by this project, okay, to offer our services for free. You don't even need any skills, because one of the tools, one of the services rendered by this project, we can use that to our advantage on Fiverr, which many people does not know. So keep an eye on this forum. Because why? We have a section where I'll be teaching people how to make money on Fiverr, how to make money on affiliate. In fact, in short, even this project, the tools they offer also can help us to make money on affiliate marketing and can even help us to make money as a blogger. All right, even on TikTok. So all of these tutorials, I will be providing that in the learning section of Crypto Toilet Forum starting from 2023 January. All right, why? Because we are currently upgrading this forum right now, and you see new features starting from next month. Why? Because starting from next month, you'll be able to earn using our forum. The more time you spend on our forum, the more money you will earn, and the more posts you publish on our forum, the more money you earn. So we want to enable people to make money while publishing on Crypto Toilet Forum, and at the same time, they will earn money while leaving comments and while learning, doing all sorts of things, and you'll be able to redeem. We actually be giving points, and your point can be redeemed for gifts. Okay, you will see our reward section, our marketplace with a lot of gifts, if ranging from cryptocurrency to laptops to mobile phones. All right, which you can redeem your point for all of these. What are they calling it for? All of these items, and at the same time you can also make money with binary bots. Yeah, I currently make money with binary bots, and you can also make money with binary bots. I will also be teaching you the tutorial on our forum for that starting from January anyways. We are coming. The reason why I've not actually been active is because one, I was ill. I'm just getting myself back actually, and secondly, I'm currently on upgrading this forum so that we can add more features. But like I said, please don't miss out on this token. It is very, very important. Don't miss out on this token. Please don't miss out. Don't miss out on this token. All right. It's very, very important. Don't miss out. Okay. So thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you come to our YouTube channel, don't forget just search for Crypto Toilet. You should see Crypto Toilet right there. So you can search for our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Our second channel as well is also with Simple J. And don't also forget to subscribe to our other channel, also with Simple J. Also subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Starting from January 2023, you will learn a lot. And those of you that have access to my WhatsApp, that usually those of you following me on WhatsApp, you should see my status, which I promise that starting from next month, January, I want to teach. You see how I've been trading futures back to back, winning trades, and I already promised that. See, because a lot of people has been disturbing me to teach them, which I can't teach personally because they are too much. So I've promised to teach everything I know about futures trading and forex trading and how to get funded of up to $500,000. Yes, it's real. If you have the skills, there are a lot of organizations willing to give you starting from $5,000 to $20,000 instantly to start trading if you have the right skill. So my own part, what I can do for you guys is starting from next year, January 2023, is what I want to take my time to teach you guys how to analyze the market, technical analysis, pure technical analysis, not the bullshit you see on YouTube. And you will see, bro. I think those people seeing my status on WhatsApp can see how I've been winning trades back to back. It's simple. Futures trading is very, very simple. Even as last night, I still want more trade. So it's very, very simple for me. So it's a simple thing for me. So I want to teach people how to analyze the market like that. Okay. So everything will be treated on our YouTube channel, on Crypto Toilet YouTube channel. And at the same time, they will be posted on our forum, cryptotoilet.net. And this is the reason why I said you should come to our forum and register. All right, and you can subscribe to any forum of your choice, any category of your choice anyways. So guys, thank you for watching. And please, like I said, please don't miss out on this token, because if you miss out, you might actually cry, because this might be your opportunity of making your first $5,000 if you haven't made any money of such on the crypto market, because the project is massive. So if you click on it, you will see the details about the project and a video of how to buy it. Thanks for watching.